super hot. Okay, let's take the valve stem out. Oh, it was loose. Let's see how this thing works. Got it over the rim. And silicone spray. So, over the rim. Let's see if I can just pop the bead. Just tighten it up just a hair. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Nice and siliconed. Okay. Come on, bead. Pop that bead off. Come on. Spray some silicone all the way around. That's it. It's all the way open. There it goes. Yeah. All right. Nice. Great. Tusk Valve Stem puller from the dirt bikes. Yep. So I don't lose it in there. See, look, just thread it on. And then I'm going to loosen it. See, would you have thought of that?
Yeah. So you can't lose it. Drop it in there. So those are 11mm nuts?
Yeah. That's well, we're going to see what the deal is now, huh?
That's going to work good.
Let's see, I can't pull this off, so I'm going to thread off this valve stem. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's not as hard as I thought. 11mm to take the little cap off. 11mm. Little Craftsman. Now I'm going to put the dirt bike valve stem remover so I don't lose the sensor. Can't be this easy though. Can't be this easy. Got it? Oh, look what kind of, oh, it was broken. It was real loose. Yeah, look. Yeah, super easy. Or loose. Yeah, it was bad. That's why it was. That's those guys at Autel. At discount. Yeah, I'm never gonna take it to discount tire again.
Do them yourself, man.
Looks like some old piece of crap one.
Let me see. Oh, it was broken, man.
It was broken. And then you take your truck over there 2 hours.
Let me see.
And they give it back, and $200 later, and they call it a rebuild kit.
Shit.
Here, give me that. Give me the sensor over there. That new one on the floor. This is way easier than I thought, man. I thought there was a lot more to this.
No, you don't have to break the bead all the way. Just right there, we're going to put it on.
I broke the whole tire bead, so I don't know how we're going to seal it now.
Not the back, just that side right there, right? Yeah.
Yeah, just this side.
You can't do just one side. The whole thing pops off. But as long as the other side's not broken, you're okay.
What brand is this one?
Make sure it's tight.
A premium.
Yeah, let me make sure.
Oh, take the nut out for me.
Yeah, make sure.
Amazon premium sensor. Tire pressure monitoring system. Look at that, man. Good old discount tire. Oh, there's a little seal. Does the new one come with a seal?
Yeah.
So there's the kit. I guess they charge you $200 for a discount. Just a new seal. So the screw fell out. That's why it went bad on the old one. I got to take the valve stem out. I'm surprised they didn't, when you took it last time, they didn't even check it, I guess.
That thing makes it real easy.
Oh yeah, this.
You don't have to worry about losing it. Just got to get it the right angle. Put your hand in there, make sure it's aiming the right way.
Yeah, that's true.
Otherwise, you'll break it.
Yeah. Look at the difference with this puller. Look.
I know.
See that?
Like nothing. Make sure it's aiming
Which direction does it go?
Huh?
Which direction does it go? I forgot.
You got to feel the inside so it's away from the bead.
It feels like it lined up all by itself.
It might have. Just makes it really easy.
See, like you can pull
You
it.
didn't even have to use the wood, huh?
No, I didn't need the wood. No, because I'm pulling it out with this. Look,
Yeah.
that's the clincher right there.
You can pull it out with that.
Yeah, look. See, got it tight.
It's 11 millimeter.
Yeah, I got it right here.
Do we have 11 millimeter sockets?
Yeah, I have it right here, but I'm just gonna use this box wrench.
Yeah, like that. Done.
Yeah, I got it.
The air compressor running.
There we go. Valve Stem back. I didn't even need this tool. I didn't even need this tool they talked about. The tool. Yeah. All right. Maybe loosen this one. Perfect. 19 millimeter. Okay. Loosen it. Oh, good. Got it. Perfect. Show me the air hose. Let's see what we get. Yeah. There it goes.
First the money, then your clothes. There's not enough pressure yet.
It's going. There it goes.
It popped it. Yeah, there wasn't enough pressure.
Do it on the dashboard.
You could probably do that with you, but I don't know nothing about it. Not enough.
Autel. There's that. Okay. Writing sensor ID to ECU. See what happens with that. That wasn't showing before, so I don't know. OBD relearn. So yeah, we'll see. Cause I haven't figured it out yet. So, but yeah, this MaxiTPMS. Oh, all right. Okay, this looks good. This is a new step here. I'm gonna hit yes. Oh wow, this is okay. Looks like I might have gotten it. Worth having this tool. Tired of going to Discount Tire where they half-ass my sensors. Oh, this is new. Oh wow. Looks like I might have gotten it. I'm gonna hit yes. All right. Super cool, man. Look at that. I need to put a couple pounds of air in the left rear. So we're done. We're all set. 2007 truck, still running strong. 222,000 miles.